All right, good morning. Got nothing special to say, just showing you we got our usual cassette roll. So this one's going up to Allentown, Pennsylvania. We'll deliver it tomorrow, probably mid-morning. And I think I'm currently working on some closet parts that might be going out to Evansville, Indiana. So we'll see what happens with that one. But other than that, here's what we got. Got about 650 mile drive, and let's get cracking at it.
Approximately 10 hours later.
All right, we're done for today. You catch me in Greencastle, Pennsylvania. We just parked here at Sheets. You guys know I like to stop here, or not this one, but just at Sheets in general. This one here in Greencastle, they just recently, I don't know if you could tell the difference in the asphalt, concrete. They just recently added a whole bunch of parking lots, or a whole bunch of parking spaces. You could sort of see where the parking lot used to be. It was only like 4 spots. That's the old lines over there. Now I would have to guess there's probably 20 spaces here now, maybe a little bit more. They could fit more if the spaces weren't so wide. I like a nice wide parking space, but they're almost too wide. You could just about fit seemingly 2 trucks in one spot. Anyways, I'm parked in the edge. It's not really a real parking space. The last parking space is where that Kenworth is, and then there's one guy here, Bobtail, and then there's me. We're right next to the dumpster. I'll get out here in a minute, check out the load, make sure everything's doing good, but we have 2.5 hours to get to our delivery in Allentown. So I could have made it there and parked up somewhere outside, but I'm tired. I did a lot of driving today. Not a whole lot in terms of miles, but we drove for a while. Let's see, what did we do? We did 524 miles today, so I think right at 8 hours or 9 hours of driving. So not bad. So we'll do the last 2.5 in the morning, deliver at about 8, and then we're gonna shoot down into, I think it's College Park, Pennsylvania, about 30 minutes south, and pick up a load of fiber optic cable reels. It's gonna be a real short jump over to York, Pennsylvania, and drop those off. The closet material stuff did not work out. It's kind of a long story with that. Nothing bad on, you know, me and my customers end. It's my customer that we deliver to. It's a different one. It's one that I've never gone to. He's only shipped stuff over to him 3 times, and he says every single time has been a pain in the ass, and he's not selling them anything else after this load. So basically they're just super picky, and it's been nothing but problems. So they didn't like my price, and honestly, after hearing the stories, I didn't really want to go there anyways. So they're shipping it via regular LTL. And my guy basically said they're booking the cheapest one, and it's probably going to get damaged by the time it gets there. But that's their problem, I guess. So good times. Anyways, let's take a look at the truck, make sure everything is good. So yeah, you can see I'm next to the dumpster where the truck belongs, in the trash. Nah. So we're looking pretty good. Tarp's holding up. Tarp's also getting old, starting to get some battle scars here and there. Got some little tiny holes. My patches are coming off in some of the spots, so it might be time to get a new tarp here soon. But other than that, things are looking good. So yeah, bunch of distribution centers out here. I usually only drive through Greencastle. I've never stopped around here, but if you look over here, there's just distribution warehouses everywhere. So anyways, that's pretty much that. I'm relaxed for the rest of the night. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right, good morning. Real quick, we just dropped off our cassette roll, and we're getting ready to go pick up our short haul. I believe I told you guys about that. Yeah, I did. Pick up our short haul, some fiber optic cable reels, take it over to York, Pennsylvania, and hopefully do that all today. So that's the plan. But in the meantime, I think I'm going to throw you up on top of the truck, and we're going to do a time lapse on the way because it's all kind of back roads. So I think it might be kind of cool. So we'll see you there. Well, guys, we dropped off our load over here in York, Pennsylvania, and that went well. We dropped it off at about 1:30, almost 2 o'clock, and yeah, so we dropped that off, and now we are sitting across the street at another Sheets. I just can't get enough of them. So yeah, this is the Sheets off of 83, I think that is, Interstate 83 right over there. So we're parked here for the for now. I'm looking for work. I was hoping to find something for the end of the day today so I could keep moving, but I'm not having much luck. It's going on 3 o'clock. Actually, it's a little after 3 now, and I haven't booked anything. So I'm looking. I was hoping to get something for today, but now I'm looking for tomorrow, and nothing's jumping out at me. There's a lot going on, but most of it is a really short haul, which I have nothing against. I just did one, but they need to pay right, and a lot of these short hauls are not paying right. I'm not going to pick up something that goes 150 miles and is paying 250 bucks. No thank you. No thank you at all. I want something with some distance. So, you know, a lot of the freight is going into like New York, which I don't do. So I'm waiting for something good. I've exhausted all my local contacts around here. No one's got stuff. So I'm at the mercy of the Borg. Hopefully the Borg will give me something nice before everyone goes home for the evening today. I think we got about an hour, almost hour and a half, basically 4:30, and the board starts to die. So that's that. Just sitting here looking at whatever pops up. So wish me luck, and that's about it. I think I will talk to you guys probably tomorrow, hopefully going to get a good load. So that's it. I'll see you then. Thanks.